you ever felt? Have you ever?
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot, and it's, how did you get fit? How did I get fit? Well, I want to start off by saying that I was never big by any means. I was bigger, you know, I had more fat and more fluff to me than what I do now. I didn't always have definition and stuff like that, and I didn't always work out. So in high school, I actually didn't really play any sports. I wasn't really active. I ran every once in a while, but other than that, I really had no physical activity. I obviously joined the military my senior year, and I remember when I took my first PT test, so my first physical fitness test, I absolutely bombed it. I think at age 18, which is when I joined, the physical fitness standards for the 2-mile run is like 19 minutes. Like, you have to run 2 miles in under 19 minutes, and I remember like struggling the whole time to make that 19-minute mark. And which now, I mean, it sounds silly because, you know, now I run it in like 14, 15. The only way to get better at something is to continuously apply yourself. So I just kept running and I just kept at it. So then one day I remember one of my coworkers, he was like, "Hey Salazar, come to the gym with me." And I was like to run on the treadmill, because, you know, at that point I wasn't doing anything else. And he was like, "Yeah, come to the gym with me." So we went. Honestly, from that point, like, it's all uphill from there. I started going on my own all the time. I started learning. I started watching YouTube videos. I fell in love with fitness as a whole. I was consistent. I was going to the gym 5-6 days a week. So I want to say the first tip that I want to give you guys is be consistent. Set a goal, whether it's long-term or short-term. No matter how big or how small your goals are, set them. The second tip I want to give you guys is diet is everything. Your diet will literally make or break you. I always say 80% is made in the kitchen. The other 20% is gym. Know what's in your food. Eat whole foods. So stay away from fast food. Cut out processed food. So the thing that has worked best for me with dieting is planning ahead. So planning my meals. I pretty much eat the same thing, honestly, for lunch every single day, Monday through Friday. Right now I'm eating 5 to 6 small meals a day. Like I said, that's what works best for me. When you're hungry, eat. That is your body telling you, like, I'm hungry, I need fuel, so eat. I also am guilty of starving myself in the past. This is obviously a really unhealthy mentality, and it doesn't get you anywhere, so eat. So my current workout split right now, I do legs. So on this leg day, I make it quad focused. On the second day, I do back and biceps. Then I do chest and triceps. Then I do another leg day. This one I try to do hamstring glute focus. And my last day is shoulders. So I dedicate a whole day to shoulders. I feel like I kind of had to play around a little bit and find out what works best for me. I want to say, stay off the scale. I am guilty of this. Honestly, when I first started my fitness journey, I would wake up every single morning and run to the scale. I remember that my starting weight when I started this whole journey was 150 pounds. Yeah, 150 pounds. Every single day I would see like 149, 148, and then, you know, obviously there's things that alter your weight day to day, so like how much water you took in, sodium, hormones, your period. So when my weight would go up even just a little bit, I would freak out. I didn't notice the biggest difference until I left the scale alone and started focusing primarily on physique, so the way I look. No matter what the number on the scale says, you're beautiful. The scale does not define you. It's just a number. Everyone's fitness journey is different, and I think it's also important to remember that. Remember that nothing in life is easy. If it were all easy, we would all be super fit. It's a challenge every single day, and it's a commitment. And like I said before, it starts off with consistency. Consistency being the most important thing. you know, have fun with it. It's a lifestyle. It's not just a few workouts here and there. You know, it's part of your life. It becomes such a huge part of you. Hey guys, what's up? Just made it to the gym. I thought I'd record a back workout for you guys. I absolutely love training back, so try this workout out. Let me know how you like it, and without further ado.
Perfect. Perfect.
How is it?
Fuck that. I'm sorry.
Perfect.
That concludes some tips and tricks on how to get fit. I hope those worked for you. I also hope that you guys enjoyed my little upper body workout. Try it. Let me know how it goes for you guys, and stay tuned for more videos.